Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are discussing about relational operators in Python. So let's start with the relation operator. At first, we are discussing about greater than. This operator returns true if the left operand is greater than the right operand. Here we check a equal to 9 and b equal to 5, and if we print it, it basically gives us true because a is greater than 5. Then the less than operator. This operator returns true if the left operand is less than the right operand. Here we if we print it, it gives us false because a is greater than 5, but the less than operator only works if the left operand is less than the right operand. And then the equal to operator, this operator returns true if both the operands are equal. If we print it, it basically gives us false because a is 9 and b is 5. So and next we were discussing about not equal to operator. This operator returns true if both the operands are not equal. And then the greater than or equal to operator, this operator returns true if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right operand. Here we take a equal to 9 and b equal to 5, and if we print it, it basically gives us true because 9 is greater than 5, so it gives us true. And lastly, we are discussing about less than or equal to operator. This operator returns true if the left operand is less than or equal to the right operand. And if we print it, here we take a equal to 9 and b equal to 5, and if we print it, it basically gives us false. So here we are discussing, we saw various relational operators, and thank you guys.